it. It's Emily with Hello Beauty. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My introductions are quite weird sometimes, so just kind of gotta get used to that. But if you're not new, then you already know me, and I hope we have a friendship established. I want to do this Valentine's makeup look for you guys because Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I know some of you may not have a boyfriend. It's okay. You can do some self-care on Valentine's Day, buy yourself something nice, get your nails done, whatever. But for me, I do have a boyfriend. It'll be 3 years this June that I've been with him. Aww. So I'm gonna do a makeup look for you guys who want to kind of have that inspiration. You are going out, or if you just want inspiration for a fun look to do. Let's get started and let's get to business. Okay. I'm loving this look, y'all. This is sexy. This is cute. This is fire. It might be a little bit more dramatic than what some of y'all might go for, but honestly, just freaking do it, girl. Just do it. Look hot, look sexy. One it up. You know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button on your way out. Don't forget to turn on those post notifications as well so that you know every time I post, baby, because you're gonna need me if you're gonna be wearing makeup for the rest of your life. I love you so much. Have a fantastic Valentine's Day. Stay safe. Stay safe. Stay beautiful, and we'll see you next time.